Can you picture a ceiling system that allows you to create a signature piece while optimizing the sound and light levels of a space? Can you imagine that solution being as simple to install as it is easy to specify? Yes, you can have it all with Mora from Focal Point, an integrated acoustic ceiling and lighting system sourced from a single manufacturer, ensuring perfect coordination of the lit and unlit components and the support of a dedicated team. Mora leverages the light engine and acoustic performance of Seam 1 Acoustic and the flexibility of the TruBlade unlit baffle to create exceptional ceiling arrays that not only enhance interior architecture, but also contribute to human comfort and well-being. 3 systems allow you to select the level of customization that's right for your project. Mora Build, square modules that are the building blocks of a ceiling system. Mora Create, standard designs scaled to the dimensions of the room. And Mora Inspire, a custom design realized with the help of our team. The 2 standard designs of Mora Build, Arch and Wave, available as lit or unlit square modules, are literally building blocks to design a singular integrated ceiling system. Modules are 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 foot square with 4, 6 or 12-inch on-center spacing between the baffles. Each can be ordered as an A style or B style, completely changing the look of the ceiling. Designing with alternating A and B styles yields unlimited design possibilities. Modules can be combined to cover large ceiling expanses, resulting in rhythmic and playful ceilings with perfectly integrated lighting. Mora Create provides an additional level of design freedom, as any of the 3 standard designs, Ripple, Radiate, or Alpine, can be scaled to the exact dimensions of each room. Each design offers a singular visual aesthetic and allows for placement of the luminaires to fulfill the lighting requirements of the space. Each array can be up to 208 feet in length with a continuous luminaire run. Acoustic and aesthetic requirements can be met with 4, 6 or 12-inch on-center spacing between the baffles. For those projects that call for a truly exclusive solution, our design and engineering team will assist in creating a fully custom design with Mora Inspire. Whether you opt for Mora Build, Mora Create or Mora Inspire, our consultative approach and on-site design, engineering and manufacturing will ensure perfect control of the process, from the initial discussion to the delivery of an integrated ceiling system that will be easy to install and earn the praises of those who experience it. And because Mora was designed with a lighting-first approach, like all other Focal Point acoustic solutions, it offers lighting professionals the options they require, such as shielding options, lumen outputs, color temperatures, and integration with lighting control systems. The mounting system, consisting of clips or magnets, makes installation a breeze. Cable suspension is also available. Clear installation instructions and a spacing tool, as well as packaging, labeling of each baffle, and drawings that indicate the installation sequence, facilitate the work of the installer, reduce the risk for errors, and minimize labor costs. All Mora ceiling systems, standard or custom, are made using PET felt that contains at least 50% of post-consumer recycled content, is 100% recyclable, and is Declare certified and Living Building Challenge Red List free. With Mora Build, Mora Create, and Mora Inspire, you can turn your inspiration into reality. Add movement, playfulness, and comfort to your next project with Mora.